Learning English, Intermediate Grammar, Conditionals. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will delve into the fascinating world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the conditionals. Today, we'll start with the zero conditional. Are you ready? Let's get started. The zero conditional is used to talk about general truths, scientific facts, or situations that always happen. It is constructed using two simple present tense clauses, where the first clause presents the condition and the second clause expresses the result. The structure of the zero conditional is as follows: if plus present simple, plus present simple. Let's take a look at some examples. If you heat ice, it melts. If it rains, the ground gets wet. In these examples, we see that the condition, the first clause, and the result, the second clause, are both expressed in the present simple tense. The zero conditional allows us to show a cause and effect relationship between the condition and the result. One common usage of the zero conditional is to talk about timeless truths and scientific facts. These are things that are generally true and do not change. Let's see some examples. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you apply heat to water, it boils. These statements are not specific to a particular time or situation. They are universally applicable and always hold true. By using the zero conditional, we can make statements about facts that are constant and unchanging. Another way we use the zero conditional is to talk about habits and general statements. These are things that happen regularly or repeatedly. Let's explore some examples. If I have coffee late in the evening, I can't sleep. If you skip breakfast, you feel hungry later. These sentences express a cause and effect relationship that occurs in general situations. They demonstrate habitual actions or common outcomes. By using the zero conditional, we can describe the consequences of specific actions or habits. The zero conditional can also be used to give instructions or advice. By using this conditional structure, we can describe a general rule of action. Let's see some examples. If you study regularly, you improve your English skills. If you exercise daily, you stay healthy. In these sentences, we see that the result is presented as a piece of advice or an instruction. By using the zero conditional, we can convey general recommendations or guidelines for achieving a specific outcome. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video on the zero conditional. We've explored the definition and usage of this conditional structure, focusing on its application in expressing timeless truths, habits, general statements, and giving instructions or advice. Remember, the zero conditional is used to talk about general truths and situations that always happen. It allows us to establish cause and effect relationships between conditions and results. Keep practicing and incorporating the zero conditional into your English conversations to enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting English language learning content. See you next time.